Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 10 of the NBA playoffs, April 28, 2026. The number 8 seed Orlando Magic beat the number 1 seed Detroit Pistons 94-88 for a 3-1 series lead. Desmond Bain scored 22 points. Franz Wagner had 19 in three quarters and the Orlando Magic beat the Detroit Pistons to take a 3-1 series lead, putting the East number 1 seed on the brink of elimination. Paulo Banchero scored 18 points for the Magic on 4 of 18 shooting. Orlando just shot just 32.6%, with Jalen Suggs going 1 for 13, including 1 for 11 from three-point range. The Magic overcame their shooting woes by protecting the ball. They had only 12 turnovers to 20 for Detroit. Orlando, which had won an elimination game at home in the play-in tournament, is on the verge of becoming just the seventh number 8 seed to defeat the number 1 in a series in league history. It's happened only four times since the playoffs were expanded to a best of seven series for all rounds in 2003. Cade Cunningham led the Pistons with 25 points, and Tobias Harris had 20. The Pistons, who won 60 games in the regular season, have an even longer series drought. They haven't advanced to the second round since losing in the East Finals in 2008. The Oklahoma City Thunder complete sweep of Phoenix Suns to reach Western Conference semis, 131-122. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander scored 31 points. Chet Holmgren added 24 and the Oklahoma City Thunder beat the Phoenix Suns, copying a four-game sweep in their Western Conference first-round series. AJ Mitchell added 22 points and made four three-pointers. Gilgeous-Alexander was reliable as usual. 2 days after scoring 42 points in Game 3, he had another efficient performance, shooting 10 of 17 from the field. The Thunder, who have a 12-0 record in the first round over the past three seasons, will face the winner of the Los Angeles Lakers and Houston Rockets series in the West semifinals. The Lakers have a 3-1 lead through the Rockets, though the Rockets won Game 4 at home. The Thunder closed the series with an overwhelming offensive performance, making 17 of 34 three-pointers, 50%, and their big men played particularly well. Booker led the Suns with 24 points, scoring 12 points in the third quarter on 5 of 8 shooting. Dillon Brooks added 23. The Suns showed some fight in the second half, cutting a 15-point deficit to 106-98 entering the fourth. Phoenix has a 10-game losing streak in the playoffs dating back to 2023. Jokic has a triple-double as the Nuggets stave off elimination versus the Timberwolves 125-113. Nikola Jokic snapped out of his prolonged funk with a triple-double. Spencer Jones provided a key spark, and the Denver Nuggets stave off elimination with a chippy 125-113 win over the injury-riddled Minnesota Timberwolves in Game 5 of their playoff series. Jokic had 27.16 assists and 12 rebounds for Denver, which trimmed its deficit to 3-2 in the best of 7 series. Jamal Murray scored 24 points and Spencer Jones added 20. Jokic posted his 23rd playoff triple-double, third on the career list as the Nuggets stopped a three-game skid and played the way they did most of the regular season in securing the number 3 seed in the Western Conference. Julius Randle led the Minnesota Timberwolves with 27 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists, and Ayo Dosunmu added 18 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Let's proceed to the NBA playoffs games scheduled on April 29, 2026. Jaylen Brown and the Boston Celtics will try to close their series against Tyrese Maxey and the Philadelphia 76ers in TD Garden at 7 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. Jalen Brunson and the New York Knicks will return home for Game 5 of their series against Jalen Johnson and the Atlanta Hawks, hoping that their home court will give him momentum as they met in Madison Square Garden at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Many Abdiha need to win in Game 5 to keep their postseason alive as they visit Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs in Frostbank Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let us have the NBA playoff series standings as of April 28, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The Orlando Magic leads their series against Detroit Pistons 3-1. Boston Celtics leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 3-1. Knicks and Atlanta Hawks series is tied at 2-2. Cleveland Cavaliers and Toronto series is also tied at 2-2. Let's proceed to the Western Conference. The Oklahoma City Thunder sweep their season series against Phoenix Suns 4-0. San Antonio Spurs lead their series against Portland Trail Blazers 3-1. The Minnesota Timberwolves leads their series against Denver Nuggets 3-2. The Los Angeles Lakers leads their series against Houston Rockets 3-1.